So on this map you can see this is a metal route which connects two prominent cities. Nevada on the western side of this map, 15 kilometers outside the map, and it goes to Araval on the eastern side. Araval is 10 kilometers from the easternmost point of this road. A river having a dam at this, here a dam. On the southern side you can see three villages: Bakarpur village, Berai village and Adalpur village. Berai village is connected to Adalpur through the double dotted Kacha Rasta, and which is again connected to the metal route crossing this palm grove through a double dotted Kacha Rasta. On the junction of this mud road and metal road, here it is a tea stall. This is a railway line connecting Niazipur railway station to Araval. You will be finding a small station at this point. MLQ, the outer of the station where the train goes little bit slow, and a railway bridge. Now I will tell you a story. You are a group of friends coming from Nevada and going to Araval to attend the marriage of your friend's sister, being solemnized at 8:30 p.m. On the way to Araval, right headlight of your bus was not working. Therefore, driver stopped your bus at this tea stall. You people were waiting at the tea stall. Suddenly you saw an over-speeding jeep coming from Araval, took a sharp turn towards the palm grove, and then you heard a loud noise. You rushed to the point to check and saw the jeep was overturned. The driver of that jeep was badly injured. You were trying to help him out when you saw a man came running to inform you that he was going to Nevada by car. On the way, just before the bridge, he was stopped by 4 people on gunpoint. They had forcefully taken car from him and went towards railway bridge. He heard that they were in plan to conduct a blast at this railway bridge when Niazipur railway station, Niazipur Araval Express will reach on railway bridge around 6:45 p.m. By then, your bus driver informed you that at tea stall he had heard 2 people with a small kid talking to someone asking for ransom by 6:30, otherwise they will kill the small kid. He overheard them that they will take the kid to the dam and will be waiting for ransom there. When you people were planning what to do, you were approached by a shepherd expecting your help. He told you that 2 of his sheep escaped deep into the palm grove, and he had heard that people had seen a ferocious lion on the other side of palm grove last day. The time now is 6 p.m. and scale you need to follow will be 3 inches is equal to 1 kilometer. Is it clear? Before I will be giving you this narrative, kindly write your name and chest number on the right hand side top corner. Now I will be giving you 5 minutes of time to go through this narrative, and while going through this narrative, you people are not allowed to note down any kind of information or making any kind of mark on this narrative, right? Your time starts now. Now, here on I will be giving you 10 minutes of time to analyze all the problems and write down your solutions. Your time starts now. Stop writing. Any one of you can get up and collect all the sheets. Keep your pen in your pocket. Now I will be giving you 10 minutes of time to go for a group discussion and look for a common solution. Your time starts now.
Saving the child and the dam.
Gentlemen, we can say that we will make three groups. Gentlemen, we can conclude, we can divide our friends into three groups. First of all, we have a group of 2 people, group A, and the other is group of 2 people, group B, and the other is group of 7 people. And the group A and B will brought on the bus and with the injured people. And the 7 people will be dropped on the railway station to stop the train and hang a red.
Gentlemen, firstly I will divide group in group of 2 people. First group will go for saving the child.
I will join my group in facility at and I see student. So
Gentlemen, first of all, we will stop the train from the accident. After that, and by putting some red cloth on the railway station, and we will put on the MLQ. When the train got over, we will brought on the train and stop the train from going further. After that, the bus will continue its journey toward the Araval and admit the patient to the hospital. After that, we have to deal with the kidnappers. So for that, we will go to the Adilpur village from the Palm Grove and to the Beresh village. After that, we will take the help from the village and stop the kidnappers and caught the kidnappers.
there are no members and two of us go to the
Taking the bus driver in hospital village. Second will go for dam in saving the child. Third will go for railway station to harm the railway station.
So gentlemen, we can conclude that we have to stop the train first, and after that the bus will continue its journey towards the Araval village to save the patient and the injured person. After that, we have to save the child from the kidnappers. We will take the help from the Adalpur and Berai village people and caught the kidnapper.
First of all, we should stop the bridge blast, and second, try to help the dam, try to help the kid which is at the dam, and ask the people for help from Berai village, which is about 2 kilometers from the dam. And third one is to save the injured person.
Gentlemen, we can continue our point that there are only 3 problems, major problems.
Major problem is bridge blast. Major
First
problem
of all, we have to stop the train
is blast,
from
and second one is
and we have to
save the kid from
save the
gunpoint.
injured person. And the third problem is we have to save the children from the kidnapper.
I agree with you. My opinions are different from this. Okay, gentlemen. My opinions are different from you. First, major problem is bridge blast. to stop Bruce blast, and second one is to save the kid, and after it we will save the
Gentlemen, we have to save the injured person first because it is in the life. It is
There is a
linked
railway
with the life
station.
and death
There is a
condition.
railway station. We asked for help by one people of our group.
So
and
gentlemen,
try
we
to
can
help
conclude
the
there are three major problems. We
person.
can divide our group into three parts. First of all, group A, B and C. The A will have two members, the B will have 2 members and the C have 3 members. After that, the A and C will board on the bus with the injured people and lead towards the Araval village, Araval city. After that, the group A will be drop on the railway station and have the stop the train by applying some red cloth on the railway line and stood on the MLQ to climb in the running train and help the driver to go further. After that, the bus will continue its journey towards the Araval village.
I agree with you, gentlemen.
Gentlemen, we don't have a right not to connect with some Magipur railway station. But here the bridge has but there are some people with gun on the bridge.
That's what I can say that
After it, we will reach to the railway station.
The railway station at the MLC will inform the railway station in Nagpur railway station.
And we can reach the bridge about 6:30 and we can send the
Gentlemen, mind over here.
Yeah, we can send 2 people to stop the train, apply some red cloth on the railway station. The train will stop by seeing that cloth.
After it, to save the injured person.
It will done up to 6:30.
Save the person which is injured from the overloaded vehicle, and third one is to save the child which is 6 points from by following people in garage which is about to after it we will go to
General, we will save the train accident up to the 6:40. After that, we will go. The bus will continue its journey towards the Araval village and reach it in the 20 minutes because the distance is 20 kilometers.
at time
And we will save the life of the patient.
and attend the marriage at time.
We will take two groups. That will is very good. But the Bere village don't have that much medication, so we can give that much medication.
The bus driver should wait on railway station to pick them and attend the
I am
marriage
agree with
at
chest number 52, but the villager that does not have that much facility in the village. So we have to go to the nearby city. Gentlemen, the bus has already has some medication and first aid. So we will include the injured person. After that, we will take to the nearby Araval city.
stop your discussion. Any one of you can come forward and give me solution on map.
Yes, sir. First of all, sir, we are on the tea stall at the 6:30. After that, we will take the injured person. We will subdivide our group into 3 parts. Group A have 2 people, group B have also have 2 people, and the group C have 7 people. After that, in the bus, we will take the group A and C and the injured person. After, we will go to the railway station and drop the 7 people of the group C. We will stop the railway station by applying some red cloth on the railway this station. After that, some people will stood on the MLQ to abroad on the when the train is slower and stop the driver to go further. After that, the railway station also inform the Nijapur railway station, main railway station. After that, the bus will continue its journey towards the Araval city.
What was the passenger train's name? Was it Araval Niazipur or it was Niazipur Araval?
Yes, sir. So first of all, we take the help from the railway station, though they will communicate with the Niazur railway station and inform them about the incident. After that, we will continue our journey towards the Araval city and help the injured person to get proper medication up to 6:45 or 6:55. After that, we will take the help from, we will go to the Palm Grove, to the Adarpur village and to the Berai village, and then take the help of the villagers and lead towards the dam and save the children from the kidnappers. After that, we will all assemble here up to the 7 p.m. and we will all go to continue our journey towards the marriage and reach the friend's marriage at 8:30 p.m.